Feeling stressed, burnt out, low on energy? The EE system may be your new best friend. Benefit number 1, deep relaxation and nervous system reset. Benefit number 2, better sleep and improved mental clarity. Benefit number 3, faster recovery from stress, workout, and injury. Benefit number 4, cellular detoxification for better overall health. Benefit number 5, a natural boost in mood and emotional balance. Want to feel it for yourself? Click below to book your first session.